Imagine stumbling on a scrapyard filled with forgotten off-road vehicles, and what you see is like a scene from a 1950s doomsday movie. Rusted frames, seized engines, and flat tires litter the cracked earth surface. Machines that once tackled mountains now sit idle and broken, overrun by the elements of nature. Most people in this situation would see junk and a pile of metal that cannot be restored. But some seasoned craftsmen with decades of experience and over 1.5 billion combined views on YouTube see something different.
My drawing worked.
They see an opportunity to transform wrecks into off-road heroes. And in the next few minutes, you'll get to see some of the most ambitious projects of their careers.
All in all, this thing is a wrap.
From a Chevy that was bought and restored for less than $1,000 to a 6-wheel food truck that was transformed to an off-road beast and a stunning big rig built entirely from garage scraps, these are the 10 most extreme off-road rig restorations ever. For context, off-road rig restorations as used in this video means building or repairing off-road vehicles, specifically those that have endured a rough life. Some of them have been abandoned in a garage for years with no help in sight. Others have been left to rot away in swamps, deserts, and other places you cannot imagine. And a few of them were so battered they looked unrecognizable until these brave restorers gave them a second chance at life. We start off with this iconic Jeep Grand Cherokee. In its heydays, this nomadic machine once conquered country roads and rocky terrains, but now it's become a shadow of itself. Abandoned far out in the woods for 4 decades, it has become riddled with rust, moss, and dust. Worst of all, it was trapped in a swamp. Most mechanics wouldn't even consider giving it a wash in this state, but the restorers at DeRuster's Garage took one glance at it, and they decided to bring it back to life. Despite its long history of neglect, this bad boy let out a loud roar at the first crank of the engine. But as it reluctantly left the swamp, I wondered if its rusted frame could ever be restored. In hindsight, I should have been more optimistic because not only was the frame restored, every inch of the car was transformed. Decades of dust, leaves, and dirt were swept away and a new beast emerged. Yet the restorers didn't stop there. They scrubbed the windows and carpets, glued every detached leather, and sanded the body panel until it was shining like a star from outer space. But the best part of it all was the paint job and those Bigfoot tires. They improved the aesthetics of this Jeep and gave it more character than many modern cars. And you know why that's significant? It shows that with the right restorer and enough patience, any vehicle can be saved. Next up, we've got a Nissan GQ 4-wheel drive from 1995. To be fair, it's not entirely in bad shape. But after traveling 680,000 miles across a lifetime of labor and service, it needed some extreme modification. And Tyler Thompson was right on hand to deliver. The beauty of off-road rig restorations is that most components are upgraded. And this one wasn't going to be different. Tyler overhauled every single component on this GQ. From the cooling system, door trims, floor pan, sound system, front grille, and headlight. He even wrapped the seats with new cover clothes and stitched his name boldly on them so that everyone knows from first glance that he owns this beast. As if that wasn't enough, he carried out an outstanding makeover of the chassis. He installed new diffs, suspension, brakes, 17-inch wheels, and some really cool tires. By the time he was done replacing the engine and polishing the body panels, this 1995 Nissan GQ wasn't just transformed, it was roaring for a challenge. It tackled plain roads, climbed pavements, and swam through the forest like a raging bull. The big lesson here is that high mileage isn't the end of the road for automobiles. With the right upgrades and a skilled craftsman, even a vehicle that's on the edge of retirement can be reborn. Meet our next entry, a nearly 50-year-old camper van found on a seaside by Stacy Tourou and Matthew Yeomans of blessed memory. These young and energetic lovebirds were looking for a rugged vehicle to serve their overlanding needs, and the Chinook seemed like the perfect choice. But with 90,000 miles on the odometer, it was inevitable that they'd have to reconstruct it. First came the long and tiring search for the perfect chassis, which ended when they found and bought a non-running 80s series Land Cruiser. With the replacement now available, Matthew fabricated new mounts and completed the chassis swap before installing a new Toyota 5VZFE engine. Several other new components like the transmission, fuel tank, steering system, battery, and lift springs were also installed. But the journey of transforming this Chinook into their dream rig was never going to be complete without a stunning interior makeover, fresh paintwork, and the grand installation of oversized tires. Somehow they managed to finish all that work within 100 days, just in time for their grand tour, which covered 17 countries across the Americas. Unlike the previous entries, this 2009 Jeep Wrangler was actually in decent condition. The exterior was squeaky clean, and the engine ran just fine despite surviving 170,000 miles of travel. But the guys at JK Gears and Gadgets decided to transform it into a true off-road rig machine by modifying it aggressively. And when I say that, I am not talking about some casual spare parts replacement. I am talking about critical additions that bumped the aesthetics and performance of this car from 0 to 100 real quick. The chassis, engine, roof, and body panels, roll cage, and fuel tank were all changed. Some components were sourced from other vehicles while others were custom-made. But every addition was a major improvement that elevated this monstrous truck in ways that words cannot describe. You literally have to see it with your eyes to understand the scale of transformation that happened here. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is proof that a vehicle doesn't need to be broken to be restored. Building a dream off-road vehicle from a tired Toyota Hilux is daring. Attempting to do it within 72 hours sounds even crazy. Yet, that's exactly what Sean Whale, Graham Cahill, and the boys at 4WD 24/7 decided they wanted to do. Tough task, no doubt, but they had a plan, and they followed it to a T. Like a crime investigator, they probed every section of the truck, leaving behind a trail of exciting upgrades behind them. From the bar hook to the engine bay and the storage on the roof and the rear, no stone was left unturned. Also, the rim, tires, and side mirrors were either replaced or modified to further reinforce the aggressive stance of this bad boy. Considering the outcome, I bet Sean and Graham are stunned themselves because nobody could have predicted that this Hilux would turn out this good. Most restorers would need weeks to pull that off, but Sean and Graham did it within hours, showing that sometimes time constraints and extra pressure produce the best result. We're only halfway through the video and we've seen some unbelievable entries. But trust me, that's just the tip of the iceberg. We've got more crazy entries ahead, including a 6-wheel Spud truck and a mystery vehicle that was practically made from scraps. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything. Most people say teamwork makes dream work. And that's absolutely true, especially when you're a group of passionate restorers from Matt's Off-Road Recovery, and your goal is to convert a 6-wheel Spud truck into an off-road rig monster. Working relentlessly like a colony of robotic ants, Matt and his team didn't just modify components. They went on a journey of complete reinvention. They fabricated a new truck bed, threw in fresh tires and a brand new engine, while also reinforcing the chassis. Now, that sounds easy, but they took months of planning, execution, and cooperation from every member of the team. And at the end, it was worth it, because once this beast came alive, they all got a front row seat as it rumbled into the distance for its first ride. The success of this project isn't just a significant milestone for the team, it's evidence that when passionate and talented people come together for a common goal, even the most difficult task becomes possible. Next up on this list is Rusty, a 2004 Tacoma TRD owned by the crew at JMR Rebuilders. Now, this bad boy isn't particularly wrecked. I mean, it moves around just fine. And at first glance, it looks like it's got some years of service left in it, but these restorers wanted more from it. They wanted it to be an off-road warrior that would dominate any trail and turn heads. So they got to work with the goal of making that happen without breaking the bank. First, they changed the timing components and slapped 2.5-inch rough country springs on all 4 wheels. Then, they upgraded the headlights, installed a brush guard, and threw in a new set of big boy tires. And just like that, the identity of this vehicle was transformed from a humble 2004 Toyota Tacoma into a bold and aggressive off-road rig. This ultimately reinforces the belief that small changes sometimes make the biggest difference. At number, we have Patrick's 1985 4Runner. Now, this isn't one of those rickety vehicles that you'll find in scrapyards. It is a healthy 4-wheel machine that looks like an off-road rig already. But that title isn't just a ceremonial label. It's a badge of honor that requires real mechanical and aesthetic upgrades, which Patrick is about to provide. The transformation started calmly with a nice paint job. But after this hairdrop moment from Patrick, things took a different turn. The chassis was quickly reinforced with new mounts, axles, and shocks. The engine was also beefed up, and a brand new custom exhaust pipe was installed, ensuring that this off-road rig roars beautifully when it gets on the road. Lastly, Patrick fitted the truck with a windshield and headlights, and man, it looked so menacing. And once he got behind the wheel, he made sure to intimidate every terrain he encountered. That right there is the dream of every mod restorer out there, but only those who dare to take on difficult challenges get to enjoy victorious moments like this. But if you think what Patrick did with this 4Runner is wild, wait till you see the next entry. The outcome of a restoration isn't always equivalent to the amount of dollars spent, and the guys at Drew Built proved this with their incredible transformation of this Chevrolet Trailblazer, which cost less than $1,000. The vehicle itself was bought on Facebook Marketplace for $460, and of course, it had quite a lot of issues. But it also had some positives. The interior was in great condition, almost brand new. And it drove under its own power, meaning that they didn't have to worry about a complete engine overhaul. But they had to worry about some other parts, like bash bars, wheel spacers, banjo hoses, and trailing arm links. They also bought rods, lifts, tires, spray paint, and sheet metal. In total, they shelled out $531.49 on repairs. And trust me when I say every penny was well spent, because by the time this Chevrolet Trailblazer hit the road, it was a different beast. The boys fired it up, revving it to its absolute extreme limit. And it was exciting to watch. They took turns at the wheel, drifting, driving, and flying through the grass. And not once did this Trailblazer complain. And to think that they spent just under $1,000 to enjoy all that fun, it's absolutely unbelievable. But it's nothing compared to what we've got for you at number 1. As you've seen so far in this video, restoring off-road rigs isn't child's play. But how about building one from scratch using an old car part? Well, that sounds absolutely insane. It's the one thing that 99% of restorers would never attempt. Except, of course, you enjoy doing impossible things yourself like Don. Known globally as Don DIY, this legendary restorer stripped down a Peugeot car in his garage. And like a surgeon, he began to piece the components back together, except this time, not as a Peugeot, but as a mystery machine with bigger and more powerful parts. From tires to the axle, frame, dashboard, fuel pump, and steering rack, Don took his time to make sure every part of this rig was perfected. Beyond tackling the mechanical challenges, Don also did the wiring, painting, welding, and interior finishing. This man isn't just your typical restorer. He's the kind of guy who deserves to be called a jack of all trades. I mean, he's just taken a bunch of scraps and turned them into one of the most iconic off-road rigs ever built. And by doing that, he has shattered that long-held belief that you need an army of restorers to transform vehicles from ruin to legends. With that said, which of these off-road rigs would you rather have in your garage? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you love impossible rescues like this one, Make sure to check out the other videos on the channel.